Hey guys, welcome back to Science Bug by Poonam Singh. This time, Science Bug brings to you a special vacation bonanza that is a trip to the Bronx Zoo, New York City, USA. Let me give you a little introduction about the Bronx Zoo. The Bronx Zoo is the largest urban or metropolitan zoo in the US, situated in the Bronx borough of New York City. Spread over 265 acres of land, it includes recreated natural habitats like woods, streams, and parklands. The Bronx Zoo is also the headquarters for the Wildlife Conservation Society, that is WCS. And it is also managed by the same society, that is WCS. This zoological park hosts about 5,000 animals of more than 700 species. As you all know, zoos have an educational purpose, and that is why I'm here to tell you about the zoological aspects of some of these animals. This zoo includes many wonderful recreated exhibits. The most wonderful is a 50-foot high glass enclosed recreation of a Southeast Asian rainforest. The other exhibits include Congo gorilla forest, jungle world. Let me tell you the route taken by me inside the Bronx Zoo. I entered the Bronx Zoo from the Southern Boulevard gate. Then I moved on to the Madagascar side, which was near the Children's Zoo. Then to the Astor Court, which was harboring sea lions. Then to the Prairie David deer. Then to Tiger Mountain. Then to Northern Ponds. Then to dholes and bears. Then to the Giraffe Corner. Then to Congo Gorilla Forest. And then finally, we had some refreshment at the Dancing Crane Cafe. In this video, I'm just going to introduce to you the Madagascar animals because the Madagascar fauna is quite elaborate and varied. It includes the lemurs, the Madagascar Tree Boa, the Ground Boa, the red foddy, which is a bird, Radiated Tortoise, Ringtailed Mongoose, a big mongoose of the genus Herpestos, and some endangered ancient fishes. The fauna is varied in the sense that it includes fishes, reptiles, burrowing animals, birds, mammals, each with peculiar characteristics. Just for your information, let me tell you that Madagascar is an African island in the Indian Ocean. The first thing that you see here on the display are the details about the Madagascar Dry Forest. Listen to the sound. Did you hear a whistling sound? These are the sounds made by the lemurs. And these Madagascar dry forests are home to a large variety of lemurs like golden brown mouse lemur, pygmy mouse lemur, mongoose lemur, and so on. And did you see these rugged limestone rock formations? These rugged limestone formations are called karst formations, and they're called singi in the Malagasy language. Singi means tiptoe. And don't you think that sometime you would definitely go across these extremely sharp rocks tiptoed? So this bizarre looking place evolved slowly over long periods of time as the limestone rocks gradually eroded into jagged spires and strange shapes. Oh, here you see a Madagascar Tree Boa. It's a snake found only in Madagascar. Its local name is Vendrita and the scientific name is Sanzinia madagascariensis. Its diet consists of small mammals, birds, amphibians, mouse, lemurs, and rodents. It's a solitary animal except during the mating season. It's nocturnal, that is sleeps on trees during the day and at night comes to the ground for hunting. They're generally 4 to 6 feet long and they're bodies are greenish in color. Pregnant mothers become dark, almost black, to conserve heat for baby's development. Gestation period is 6 months, and the litter has up to 10 babies. And it's a non-venomous, non-aggressive, shy snake, so it's a good pest controller. Its greatest threat is deforestation, and because it is kept as a pet, but its population is stable now. Here you see another snake, the Madagascar Ground Boa. Its scientific name is Acrantophis madagascariensis, belongs to the family Boidae. The features are same as the tree boa, except that the babies are born exceptionally large, up to 2 feet in length, and the mature boa goes up to the height of about 8 feet. And the gestation period is 8 to 9 months, and the litter consists of 2 to 6 babies. The common features are that the lifespan is about 20 years for both tree boa and ground boa, and as the name suggests, the ground boa lives mainly or spends most of its time on the ground, so it is called ground boa, and it is hunted for food, skin, and also because it is thought to bring bad luck. And these are the major threats apart from the habitat destruction, but their population is stable now. And the diet and other things are the same as as for tree boa. These are also nocturnal and non-poisonous snakes, and the females are larger than the males.
The snake.
Now, the next animal that you see is a bird. It's called Phodia madagascariensis. The common name is red foddy. It is native to Madagascar. It is found in cut forests and grasslands of Madagascar forests. It's about 5 inches in height. As you can see, the plumage is red. Wings and tail are brown olive. It has black markings around the eyes, as you can see. The lifespan is about 10 years. The females are duller than the males, and the diet consists of seeds, grains, insects, and nectar. They are monogamous, lay 2 to 4 eggs at a time. Incubation time is about 2 weeks, and the population is stable as of now. The next animal that you see here is the Radiated Tortoise. Scientific name Astrochelys radiata, belongs to the class Reptilia, family Testudinidae. It's a herbivore, eats grass, fruits, flowers, succulent plants like Opuntia, the cactus, and it's found in the dry tropical forests of Madagascar, southern Madagascar. And it is critically endangered because of habitat loss and being a popular exotic pet. It likes to live a solitary life, except during the breeding season. And as you can see in the video here, the shell is a little high dome with plates, and each plate has got lines which are radiating from the center. And here the picture is very clear, where you can see the lines radiating from the center of each plate on the shell. And their defense mechanism is they make a loud screeching sound, and they also pull their soft limbs and head inside their hard shells when they fear threat. They lay up to 5 small eggs. Incubation period is 4 to 7 months. Can travel at speeds 0.3 miles per hour. The juveniles are a white to an off-white shade, but the adults have a yellow coloration. So these tortoises that you see here are probably the juveniles. And they're active during the day, so they are diurnal. And their local name is Sokake in Malagasy language. Lifespan is about 30 to 80 years. After this reptile, the next animal that you see is a mammal. It is the ring-tailed mongoose. It looks like mouse or squirrel, and it belongs to the family Eupleridae. Its zoological name is Gelidia elegans. It's a mammal and viviparous, so it gives birth to babies. The litter size is up to 3, and the gestation period is 72 to 92 days. And as you can see, these are social animals, and they're found in pairs mostly, as you can see here. They sleep in burrows at night, otherwise they are diurnal, and they are terrestrial, very active, good climbers and swimmers. Their lifespan is 13 years and their length is about 12.5 to 15 inches and the tail size is 10 to 12 inches. Their population is decreasing but still not endangered. That's the good news. They are carnivores and they eat small mammals, fish, reptiles, insects and sometimes fruits. Another mongoose, bigger in size, which is probably the most common species of mongoose and belongs to the genus Herpestos, is here. Its fur is grey to brown, as you can see here. It's lazily lying here, probably it has just had its food. It has short legs, claws are non-retractable, 5 toes on each foot. It lives in burrows at night and feeds on small mammals, birds and reptiles, especially the poisonous Asian cobra. It is able to kill the large cobra because it's very active and has high speed. And these mongoose possess a glycoprotein that binds to the snake venom protein and deactivates it and makes it harmless. That is how it is able to kill the giant king cobra. Next you see some endangered ancient fishes of Madagascar. It is very important to protect these Madagascar fishes because these fishes are not found anywhere else on the earth other than Madagascar. Some of these very ancient Madagascar fishes, which are almost at the verge of extinction, are seen here, and these include the Malagasy cichlids, that is the pinstripe damba, the Peritroplus minarambo, and these had gone extinct. These fishes, these cichlids had gone extinct in 2002 in Madagascar, and later they were found in Lake Seni, 22 miles away. And at that time, mostly the freshwater fishes had gone extinct. So, these are the most endangered animals on the island of Madagascar, and some of these fish species have ancestors dating back to the Jurassic period. So it is very important to protect them because each time one of these species goes extinct, we lose a unique ancient lineage. Viewers, this is all about the Madagascar animals. Please mention in the comment box if you would like to see part 2 of the animals at Bronx Zoo. Please like and subscribe my channel Science Bug by Poonam Singh for more such videos. Thanks a lot for watching.